Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my.
Welcome back to my channel. This is me Jasmine and welcome to my channel Look Beautiful. Today we are going to making a video on how to straight your hair by using a hair paddle brush and a blow dryer. So let's go. First step is, as you can see here, I am dividing my hair into two sections, and here is my paddle brush which I ordered from Amazon. I will give the link in the description below. And here is my hair blow dryer. Again I ordered this from Amazon. So just do like this. Just comb your hair properly. Just detangle your hair. After that, just simply blow dry your hair like this. Just comb your hair properly and detangle your hair so that you can easily brush. After that, just press the back side of your hair and hold it tightly. After that, simply brush it out by using the comb and the hair dryer, just like this. As you can see, just do like this. So you are done with your blow drying, and here you have the straightened and smooth hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get updated with my latest video. Thank you.